Come on, that looks great. So we put up a Christmas tree. I'm gonna make a tree skirt real quick. This is a real fast, quick, easy way to do it. So first of all, I need a circle. I need to be about that big. So we need to be about middle of that. I know I got a real scientific way of measuring. What I'm gonna do is just grab a string. I'm just gonna grab it like that. I put a mark here so that I have the same place. And I'm just gonna use my hand. It doesn't really matter how perfect it is. You know, you just need a circle. This is a really fast, easy way to make a circle. And I keep going back to the spot I drew there. Okay, now we need to divide it. I'm just gonna do it by eyeball. So just take your ruler and trace it along. Go again. Here, I'm gonna go 6. So I'm gonna do one of these numbers and one of these numbers, which gives me 6 pieces of my pie. We need an opening in the center for the tree to go through. So same thing, I'm just gonna draw a circle here. Nothing real fancy. I'm just using my lines there, equidistant on the line, and that's just a quick way to judge where my circle needs to be. All right, so here's the basic shape of our tree skirt. We're gonna put our opening right here, and I'm gonna mark that with a V and an H and L for Velcro, hook and loop. Then I'm gonna number my panels. 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 2, 3 goes to 3, 4 goes to 4, and 5 goes to 5. Okay, now we're gonna cut our panels out. All right, so I'm just gonna use this red vinyl we found under the shelf. I didn't order anything for this, we had it already. For stuff you're making for yourself, just for fun, you know, use what you got laying around first. Don't forget, keep some wind in the sails of our pirate ship. Hit that like button. All right, so we got our red panels. We're gonna take it here. All right, now we need to cut and sew a 1/2 inch away for seam allowance. Take your markings and keep them on the inside of where you're gonna sew, so that way you don't see them later. On this part, I put a double line, so that way I know I need to fold it there. That one's done. All right, let's go sew them up. Don't forget to hit that like button. Put them together. But first, we're gonna start with our Velcro. You have 2 different kinds of Velcro. You got a hook and a loop. Interestingly, the way they figured out Velcro is, you know those little hanger-on things that when you walk through a field or on your pants or whatever, there's some scientist dude that pulled one off and stuck it under a microscope, and that's how we got Velcro. So on the loop side, obviously, we're gonna put loop. Now, typically speaking, loop always goes on the inside and hook always goes on the outside facing direction. I don't know, what I was told once upon a time, and I've always done that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold over my 1/2 inch sew line. Well, let's prep our piece correctly first, excuse me. So, whenever you have an inside curve, you have to relax it in order to get it to sew. There's no way around it. That's the only way it works. I'm gonna take this back to my line and I'm gonna sew it around. Now I'm not back tacking here because I'm gonna sew across it on the next panel. So there's no reason to put that clump of thread there when it's definitely going to be secured with the opposing seam. So your inside's going to look like that, and your outside's going to look like that. Now, on your outside curve, it's completely backwards. And the way I deal with that is just little tucks. So one finished panel should look about like that. Velcro tabs on. I'm just making 2 little tabs. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just fold that over for my 1/2 inch seam allowance. I'm going to stick my tab there, and I'm going to just sew it 1 time straight down the center. And that's it. I'm not messing with it any more than that. That'll suit our purposes just fine. All right, so we have 1 panel. Let's prep our other our hook Velcro panel. Same process. Okay, I'm just gonna leave this edge raw, so that way it fits under my folded edge, which will be the finish. And this is meant to just be a really fast tutorial. I got a little loose thread there. So the way I'm gonna deal with that right now is I'm gonna stick that underneath what I'm gonna sew, and it's gonna lock it right down. So now, when we stick it around the tree, our tree skirt will finish about like so. Let's assemble our pieces. Don't forget, hit the like button, put some wind in the sails of our pirate ship. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep all 4 pieces, and this is the tip of the day. This is how you do things in production, it's how you do things fast. Watch this. Okay, so when you're in production, you can't sew one thing and stop and sew one other thing and stop. That's never gonna make any money. So the way we do it is we chain everything together. So for instance, we start with this thing here, we're sewing, and we go all the way around, and we just put the next one right up to it. And then it makes cutting it after real fast and easy. All right, moment of truth. It's Christmas time in the house. Let's see how this thing looks on our tree. Don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe, tell a friend, keep some wind into the sails of our pirate ship. Let's see how we got. Look at that. Come on, that looks great.